With Canon releasing a new mirrorless system, it meant that a new mount was needed for the EOS R and RP cameras, hence the new RF mount and lenses. The RF lenses are instantly recognisable as Canon glass. As soon as you pick them up, you get the familiarity of Canon L series lenses, but yet they have a more modern and up-to-date design. Canon hasn't held back with these new lenses, right away releasing top quality glass like the 50mm and 85mm 1.2 lenses, and the fast 28 to 70mm f2 zoom. Optically, the RF line appears to be as good as it gets right now, with amazing sharpness, definition and colour reproduction all around. All of the RF lenses have a brand new feature for Canon, the smart control wheel at the front of the glass. It can work as a traditional aperture ring, but can also be customised to control shutter speed, ISO or exposure compensation. This is a great addition and makes shooting a much more enjoyable experience when handling the camera, as you know you have more options to control it in a way that suits you.
Canon knows that a lot of their users will have traditional EF lenses already, so they made sure to provide lots of adapters for the EOS R and RP cameras from the get-go.
You can use EF or even EFS lenses on the new cameras, using a basic adapter which makes them behave and perform exactly like they would on a DSLR. A control ring adapter is also available, which adds the customizable ring features to any EF lens you mount on your camera. The last adapter makes sure to use all the space available between your EF lens and the sensor, allowing the use of a drop-in ND or circular polarizer filter behind the glass, bypassing the need of screwing anything in the front. This is great for fast lens swapping, as the filters will always stay with the body, and it is especially handy for extreme wide-angle lenses without front filter threads, like a fisheye or similar.
I do feel like when using the EF lenses with the adapter, the focusing is a lot more responsive.
The adapters are a great option if you already have a big range of EF glass, as it means you only need to buy one of the new cameras to get into the system. But for the best results, the RF lenses are definitely the way to go, as they are designed specifically for the new mount. And the short distance between the glass and the sensor means less chance of distortion and better optical performance. As mentioned before, Canon didn't seem to hold back with these new releases, right away jumping into high quality glass for their new system. These are beautiful lenses, which we think anyone would be happy to own, and set a new standard for Canon from now on.